ElectroFlo's home screen is displayed when the user selects the ElectroFlo icon from within the Windows environment or double-clicks on the electroflo.exe file name. At this point, the user has quick access to existing models through Recent Models window, as well as examples and training windows. Additionally, the user can create a new model or open any existing models by either clicking on the highlighted text or from the File menu. Once a model is created or opened, the ElectroFlo main screen is displayed. ElectroFlo Environment consists of Main Menu, Display Controls, Selection Controls, Shortcut Buttons, and Graphics windows. The main menu displayed at the top of the screen. Generally, the sequence of actions in ElectroFlo is Geometry, to import, create, modify various geometric entities. Material, to define material properties. This step is only necessary if user-defined materials are used. BCs, to apply boundary conditions. Mesh, to generate and edit the mesh. Tools, many error checking and productivity tools are available. Parameters, to set the solver parameters and analysis type. Analysis, to create analysis input deck and run the job. Results, to read in the results and post-process. View, to control the display. Help, to access online help, request features, and report issues. Now let's take a closer look at the graphics windows. There are 4 windows available. The 3D window provides the isometric view used for visualization and model verification. The window's controls are located at the top of the form. 2D windows are top, front, and side views used in the interactive model building process. To zoom in the 3D view, move the mouse pointer to 3D window and press down Control key. Then click the mouse center button and drag in the positive X direction to zoom in or negative X direction to zoom out. Or left click on the dynamic zoom in control button at the top of the 3D window and zoom in and out by clicking the left mouse button and moving in positive or negative X directions. To rotate in 3D view, move the mouse pointer to the 3D window again and press down the Control key, then click mouse left button and move the mouse. Or left click on dynamic rotation control, then click mouse left button and move the mouse around. For panning in 3D view, move the mouse pointer to 3D window again and press down the Control key. Now click the mouse right button and move the mouse. Again, you could left click on the dynamic panning control, then left click on the mouse and move the mouse around. To zoom in 2D windows, you move the mouse pointer to a 2D window, select the region of interest by holding the mouse right button down and moving the mouse. Then release the mouse right button. Mouse selection works using the selection controls on the right portion of the main menu. As an example, let's select a solid to modify. Be sure selection control is on Object, Solid. Move the mouse pointer to a solid in any of the windows. Click mouse left button. You can see that solid modify form is displayed and the solid is selected in the list box. Display controls are used to quickly display or hide entities that are not commonly displayed throughout the modeling process. These entities include the mesh, key planes, construction grids, and boundary conditions. To display the mesh, Move the mouse pointer to the mesh box, click mouse left button. To display convection boundary conditions, move the mouse pointer to BC box, click mouse on convection, and then click apply. Now let's quickly talk about the Model Manager list view. List view is the most useful tool of ElectroFlo. From here you can look at your entire model. Left click on any entity with the list view open and its object will be highlighted. You can also sort by any column by clicking on its title. Use the tree view at the left to filter which objects are displayed in the main window. There are many more actions that you can take using the list view. This is a very important tool in ElectroFlo modeling process, and we will use it extensively in many of the exercises.